Winning products. Everybody wants the latest winning products, but nobody is willing to put in the work and do the research. If you don't know who I am, my name's Arie, and today I'm gonna be doing the work for you. So I make a lot of videos about business, and if you don't know what a winning product is, a winning product is basically just a successful product or idea that you can sell. So nowadays you can sell things on eBay, Amazon, Depop, and so many other platforms, but the best way, in my opinion, and the way that I have the most experience selling physical products in is through Shopify. So today what we're gonna do is watch a bunch of compilations on TikTok of people showcasing products that they've gotten from Amazon that they've really loved. And these are typically videos that go really viral. So it's actually a good sign that these products are a good idea to sell because one, people love them, and two, it's selling really well. Now, if it's selling well on Amazon, chances are it's made in China and you can easily find a supplier through Alibaba or AliExpress to source that product yourself and start your own business with it. So make sure that you're subscribed to the channel and drop a like on the video. It really helps support the channel. And without further ado, let's watch some of these product videos.
Amazon favorites for the holidays. First is this beautiful gold flatware set in matte finish. It's luxurious and modern. Second are these beautiful lace utensil holders. I found its matching table runner.
All like
it's
home
the little
decor
details
stuff
that make a big difference. Everything's linked in bio. Follow Instagram for more tips.
I can definitely see a lot of people liking that.
You actually need part 32. This is my little elf wrap cutter, and it is by far the best and easiest way to cut wrapping paper. All you do is place the little elf around the wrapping paper tube, measure out how much wrapping paper you need, and
that's
then
a good idea.
This was on Shark Tank and has over 1,000 reviews on Amazon. And honestly, I just wrap things for fun now.
I mean,
I could be a
it's
little
kind of the
elf.
same as just using scissors, but some people are really that lazy.
Amazon products you need or don't, part 108 of 365. Hey, so anyone else with glasses have this problem? You put on your face mask and your glasses are very quick to fog up. Introducing these anti-fog wipes from Amazon. They are good for several hundred wipes.
That's actually
just
a good
exhale on
idea.
both sides of the lens and wipe for 10 seconds.
Especially
and you'll have
right now
fog-free
with masks.
lenses for up to 2 days. And a 3-pack will cost you just over $10. So is this something you need or don't need?
Amazon favorites
Not too
part
bad.
8. This technologically advanced trash can is self-sealing. To seal it, you
God.
just hold a button and it senses and extends when the trash can is overfilling. Each trash bag can hold an impressive
That's
amount of
actually
trash, and the can automatically changes to the next bag for you. Lastly, it opens with a wave of a hand and closes on its own.
That is amazing. Equip. Oh, wow, they are smart.
Amazon favorites?
That's actually a really good idea. I've seen this product before. This is kind of like a classic like mall product that you see like when you go to the mall. You see the stands like selling these kind of things. Not a huge fan of this one in particular, but it is very popular. And I think, by the way, the people make these videos about Amazon products because in their bios they have like affiliate links for Amazon related products, so they actually do make money through this. And it's kind of funny that we're like watching these videos trying to figure out things to sell, and then for them to take the things that we sell to show other people. It's kind of like a weird monetization loop, but it's pretty dope.
Gadgets you didn't know you needed. This is a touchless motion-centered vacuum. The infrared technology automatically activates and picks up dirt. You can just sweep it by and it vacuums. No more bending down with an old dustpan to realize half of it is slipped underneath. This vacuum is made to sit in areas where dirt, pet hair, and other scraps accumulate. Perfect for anything from kitchens, offices, to hair salons. It also has a bagless canister that you can simply dump and
That's a
foam.
good business idea. That way you don't have
Random
to
things on
constantly vacuum.
Amazon that just make sense. Work from home edition. This exercise bike is perfect for anyone who works
Hey,
long
that's a
hours
good
at a
high-ticket
desk.
product
The
right
seat
there.
adjusts for any height, so if you're short like me, you can bike comfortably. You can even slide the desk closer or further and up and down for comfort. This bike comes with
That's
different
clever.
resistances and even tracks your calories, distance, and miles
I
so
would
you
use
can
that,
set
like,
daily
right
goals.
now.
I try to bike at least an hour a day. The best part though, it comes on wheels, so I like to move it outside and get fresh air.
Wow, that was actually a really cool product.
Brianna's Amazon favorites part 4. Okay, so if you love candles but would prefer an option without flame, then you'll love this no flame candle plate. I've always wanted to put a candle here but couldn't because of the risk of the lamp, so I was so excited to order this. So you just turn it on, let the candle heat up for about 15 minutes, you'll start to smell it, and after an hour it fully melts down. My apartment was flooded with this mahogany teakwood scent, and I just love that I don't have to worry about the flame or smoke.
Wow, that's kind of clever. I never thought about that.
Amazon Home must-haves.
First is this fabric shaver and lint remover. It works well on all sorts of fabrics like clothes, couches, and pillows.
Lint removers are
and here's
clutch.
an example of what it looks like after using it on our pillows.
That looks like
here's
a cool
the
one.
before and after. As you can see, there is such a difference. Next is this collapsible laundry basket. I love that whenever it's not in use, I can collapse it and save space and store it beside my washer and then pop it back up when I'm ready to use it. Lastly is this glamorous diva wash. It is a little on the pricier side for its small size, but we only use it for sheets and towels, and it makes them smell amazing.
That was pretty solid, actually.
Gadgets you didn't know you needed. Step into the future with this automatic paper towel dispenser. Just wave your hand in front of the sensor, and it dispenses the amount of paper towels you request. If you want more, just leave your hand there. It reduces waste by retracting any unused towels back inside. It is simple to load and lets you know when you need more paper towels.
These are great ads. Like, these are amazing ads for these products, for real. Like, that
kitchen
would
gadgets you
slap
need from
on
Amazon.
Facebook.
If you're a big meat eater, you need this meat defrosting tray. It's made out of aluminum, it doesn't require any electricity, and it defrosts your meat in half the time that it normally would, within like 15 to 30 minutes. I tried it out with an ice cube, and as you can see, the one on the tray, it melted way faster than the one on the plate. It can work with all kinds of meats and veggies. There's a tray on the bottom that catches any runoff, and it just helps you to save a lot of time. Next are these food storage containers. They come in a pack of 6 different size containers, and each one has a cool feature. Like this one has a little bar that makes it easier to measure things. This makes it easier to pour things like sprinkles or powdered sugar. This keeps your brown sugar nice and fresh, and they are all airtight, so they will keep everything fresh. And lastly are these non-stick baking mats. These are life-changing. You don't need any cooking spray or parchment paper. You just set them on and the food will come right off.
Pretty solid, I guess.
You know you've reached peak adulthood when you get excited over things you never thought you would get excited about, such as cups. Yet I am totally giddy over these beautiful glasses.
Okay, that one was a little bit underwhelming.
Amazon must-haves for wine lovers. First up are these filters that remove the ingredients in wine that cause headaches. Stir the filter in your glass of wine for 3 minutes, and then you can enjoy your wine without the headache or hangover. You can also snap the heart off the end of the stir to create a wine charm. Next up are these freezable glasses. Keep them stored in your freezer until you're ready to use them, and the cooling gel inside of the cup will keep your wine perfectly chilled. And last up are these wine glass markers. Use them to write your name directly on your wine glass so you never get confused with someone else's.
That's clever, actually. That's a solid idea.
Amazon finds kitchen part 7. First up are these gold strainers. I don't know that I could love something more than I love having gold strainers. So these gold straws popped up when I was ordering the gold strainers. So I don't know. They came in a set of 12, so I just had to have them.
That's
I'll be
actually
really
not a bad
careful with
idea.
them. I promise not to impale myself. They also come with this cute storage pouch. It also reminds me that once upon a time I got these paper straws from Amazon that are also gold and super cute. And finally, these silicone baking sheets, so I don't have to always use aluminum foil.
That's nice. I like those baking sheets.
I am totally obsessed. These are gold things I got from Amazon.
Damn, gold is a big
These gold
niche.
chopsticks, they come in 5 pair a pack. I bought 2 packs.
Those are
and of course, if you have gold chopsticks, you gotta get gold soup spoons. They come in 4 in a set, 12%.
Damn,
and these gold measuring cups, which also come with these gold measuring spoons.
These
So it's only
might get
$19 for both of them.
though over time, but who knows? But that's actually pretty dope.
You may be thinking this is a face mask, but it's actually something a lot cooler. If you're like me and hate when people slam the door inside your house just like this, then I've got the perfect fix for you to give you a little bit of peace of mind.
Slam.
Just check out the difference. Get the link in my bio.
That's actually a good idea, though. That was a good ad, too, because he's the type of guy that would get super salty at that. I feel him, though.
Okay, if you're asking if it was a necessary purchase, I don't really have an answer for you, buddy. But if you're asking if I think everybody on this planet just needs one of them, the answer's a little obvious.
Amazon finds that just makes sense.
This item right here is a solution to everyone who is done with the self-timer game. I've tried a few of these, but this one right here, I could call my favorite. It's got a sleek, compact design, unfolds easily. I'm telling you, I would not be able to take pictures without this. It telescopes to like 40-something inches, swivels all the way around, got this little remote that you need. You need it. It's Bluetooth. Folds up cute and tight. You can find it in my bio.
Hey everyone, did you know you can turn any pot into a self-watering planter with this awesome kit from Amazon? It's available in 2 sizes and can be adjusted to fit almost any medium or large pot. And it allows you to water your plants without leakage or worrying about having to move them. My Dracaena plant has gotten way too tall for me to carry into the shower to water, so I'm replanting it today in this self-watering container. After removing my plant from the nursery pot and loosening the roots, I'm adding a thin layer of soil to the new container and placing my plant inside. For reference, this is a 15-inch planter that I'm backfilling with soil until the roots are covered, making sure to avoid the water spout you see here. Inside, there's an indicator stick that pops to the top of the spout when the water vessel inside is full. This will also indicate when your planter is empty and you need to refill it with water to water your plant.
Travel hacks you didn't know you needed from Amazon. I'm loving these compressed 100% cotton disposable towels. They come in this cute pink packaging and take up as much space as a lifesaver candy and are almost weightless. Just add a few drops of water and it grows. Now you have your towel on the go. It is great for freshening up on a flight without the weight of a towel. For camping, hiking, or just to keep in your purse, car, or office for day-to-day needs.
You guys, look at my new water bottle. This is seriously the cutest thing I've ever seen. The top pops off and there's a straw. And then it has this cute shoulder strap.
Wow.
Things from Amazon that I love for kids. Look at this pretend kitchen sink.
For kids.
It has an automatic water cycling system, so you don't need to keep refilling it with water. I just put this on the floor with a towel beneath it and she will sit there and play with it forever.
Wow, they're gonna be very helpful to their parents. That'd be so cool.
Brianna's Amazon Beauty Favorites Part 3. If you carry your whole life with you in your purse, you need this. It's called a Bim Bim, and you just hook it onto the inside pocket of your purse, turn it on, and look how much easier it is to find things. No more mini panic attacks from trying to find your phone. This is definitely one of those never knew you needed till you have it sort of things. It keeps all of your lipsticks and glosses secured into one place. It even fits lip liners, and it's definitely saved the inside of my purse from being marked up. If you want your favorite perfume to come in a smaller or travel size, this is a 3-pack for only $6. You just remove the cap off, it fills from the bottom up, and a few pumps gives you your perfect travel size version.
I've seen that before, but the way that she presented it made it
Amazon
so
fashion
good.
hacks you didn't know you needed. This bag organizer will upgrade your life. It helps floppier tote bags hold their shape and can be used in any tote. It has 15 compartments to neatly organize all of your essentials. Some compartments are even detachable. It is compact and lightweight and makes switching bags that much easier on the go. No more messy bags with items clanking against each other when you walk. There is a place for every item. Follow me for more.
These girls are good salespeople.
Amazon Favorites Home Office Edition. First up is this leopard notebook. It acts as a beautiful backdrop as well. Second up is this acrylic easel display. I display artwork or my planner. Add personal touches to your home office to inspire you to do better. Third up is this French cottage country decor book. Fourth up is this decorative metal display on my window ledge. Linked in bio under home office. Follow Instagram for more tips.
Here are things I bought on Amazon that I use every single day.
The air fryer. It's the best thing that's happened in my life. And we make everything in here.
Frother to make my matcha lattes every single morning, and this saves me so much time and money and makes it so delicious. Time to go out, I get one of these KF94 masks I got on Amazon. It comes in a pack of 30 and it's super breathable and it also looks pretty chic.
Fair enough.
Things you didn't know you needed off of Amazon. How has no one ever shown me this before? This is our drill brush set, and it's basically a power scrubber that attaches to your pre-owned drill. We have the yellow set of brushes, which is the medium stiffness, and it's good for all your bathroom surfaces like your shower, your tub, your sinks, and so forth. There's nothing worse than getting on your hands and knees and having to scrub the base of your shower or your bathtub, and this makes it so much easier. It cleans it so fast, and you can see the final result here. It's just incredible. I don't know how
the
we
way
lived
that they
without it.
present it makes these products look so much better. Like, that's actually really fire. Wow. well, there you have it. That was some amazing product ideas. Now, I am 100% certain that if you just look these up on AliExpress or Alibaba, you can find quite literally all of these. So now all you need to do is kind of think of a business idea, make a business plan. I actually just started a Shopify challenge, starting a business with zero from Instagram. If you guys missed it, I'll link it over here somewhere so you can check it out, but it'll give you a good idea on how you can kind of come up with a business plan and put the pieces to the puzzle together. And honestly, it's really fun looking at these videos with you guys. I hope that you feel the same way. And lastly, I don't really talk about it often, but I do have a community/course. It's private and I host a ton of entrepreneurs in there, e-commerce entrepreneurs primarily. We have an amazing time. We all learn basically the skills that colleges don't teach us. I'm extremely active in that community. You could kind of consider it like a Patreon for my channel, but even better because there's course content in there. So I just wanted to let you know to check that out. It's always in the description of the videos. That's what Netsphere is. If you've heard of Netsphere in the past and maybe you're confused as to why it is, like you may have thought that it's just a random course that I have. It's not. It's actually way cooler than that. It's like Skillshare, but for e-commerce and with an actual community behind it. So make sure you check that out. And with all that said, I hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe to the channel for more, and I'll be seeing you in my next one. Peace.